See, I am making a statement. I am going to work on your body and break the worry pattern. You may think, worrying is related to mind. How can you work on my body and break the worry pattern? The worry pattern, mental level, if I break, you will get it back the moment you see your spouse. So I am not going to just break in the mental level, I am going to break it to the biomemory level, to the roots from where it starts in your system. So I am going to work on your body. Please understand? That is why when I awaken this Kundalini, your body responds. How many of you feel when I say let your Kundalini be awakened, let your energy be awakened? You may not need, your body need not jump and all. How many of you feel your body is responding to my words? Good. Means the initiation has already started happening. Understand? Because I am not talking to your mind. I don't trust your mind, I tell you. I only trust your body. Body is natural, mind is societal. Mind is given to you by society. Body is given to you by nature. I am talking to your body. I tell your mind, you get out. I am not talking to you. In the beginning I tell your mind, you move out. I am not interested in talking to you. I am talking to the body. Once your body responds to these great truths, when the bio-memory level, the patterns are broken, then after you leave the program, you don't need to remember my teachings and live. Simply you will be living this. Whenever a situation comes, you just, this is the way I will respond. This is the way I am. So the very bio-memory gets purified. That is why when I initiate that let your Kundalini be awakened, the body starts responding. So don't be worried, especially when your neighbor jumps. What is happening? It is literally like you're boiling the potato. Your bio-memories are getting purified. You see, I have nothing to do with your mind. Your mind is neither my friend nor my enemy. He is in existence for me. He is non-existent for me. I bother only about your body, your bio-memory, which is the root for everything. So I work directly with your body. That is why your mind, how much ever it tries, it cannot do anything, it cannot do any play with me. And one more thing, please do not miss the opportunity to look into my eyes. See, my eyes is a window to the cosmos. See, once we open this window, we know, wow, what a huge scene we were not seeing. My eyes are window to the cosmic emptiness. So don't miss a chance. When you come near, don't miss a chance to look in. If I am looking in, you also give it back to me. Don't miss the chance. I tell you, it is nothing but fear of emptiness. See, when you look inside me, you will not see any personality. You will see a vast space. You are always afraid of that vast space. You always wanted something to be seen when you see. If there is a huge sky without any cloud, you feel little shaky. That's why even from the tall buildings you don't want to look down. That little fear. But don't miss today, from today, when you come for another session. One more thing I wanted to make it very clear, I am not hypnotizing you, I am not mesmerizing you, don't worry. If you are hypnotized, you will only become dull. You will not become alive and fresh. You can see here, after every darshan, you are only becoming alive, joyful. I am dehypnotizing you. Understand? I am dehypnotizing you. So, I am directly working with your bio-memory. One more thing you need to know, many things, your mind will just give way. It will not even take time, it will just give way, and your body will receive the truth. Your body should receive the truth. All the truths and the experience of reality should be shown in your body, not in your mind. As I said, anything done to your mind, any number of days I would have taken and did that surgery to your mind, your spouse is capable of clearing it in 10 minutes. You get down from the airport, get into the car, by the time you reach your house, you are back. Mind is not that stable. Forget about even going back and getting into the car. In the gap time, one phone call is enough. I would have struggled almost 10 hours to raise you with various technique, method, kriya, process, and kept you almost in heaven. One phone call. Suniye means in Hindi, listen here. Over. Mind, anything done to mind cannot be trusted. If it is done on your body, only then it can be permanent. The transformation is permanent. It is to the depth the transformation is done. Yes, we will start the Kriya. Now I am going to work on your navel center, the Manipuraga. I want you to do the Gomukha, just crossing your leg. Gomukha. Yes. Now move to Gomukha. Try your best to move to that posture. See, basically, when your body turns toward that position, the Kundalini path, the circuit gets connected, easy for me to pump in the energy, the Kundalini energy, that's all. See, with each posture, certain circuits open in your system. So with this posture, your Manipuraga circuit opens, I flood the energy inside so that the patterns are broken from the root level, biomemory level. See, basically, try your best to move your body to that position. I know for sure you can't do perfectly. Try your body, your best, to go to that position. See, when you do this posture, you will see that whole navel become relaxed. The energy center forms on the navel. Please tie the ribbon. And move to Gomukha. In Gomukha, chant Hunkara, Hu, sound loudly. Listen. Hu. Continuously exhaling through your mouth. Chant the Hunkara intensely. Please understand, I am not asking you to do loudly. Do it more intensely, means let the body vibrate by this sound. That Hu sound should vibrate your body. More than loudness, the intensity is important. Please start. Let your Kundalini be intensely awakened in the navel center. Let your navel center radiate the highest Kundalini energy.